high above the city skyline, where the wind howls and the ground feels a world away, sits a machine that defies logic. It's called the Derrick Crane. Unlike the towering giants you see on construction sites with their long sweeping arms, the Derrick is compact, low profile, and incredibly powerful. Its sole purpose? To work in the tightest, highest spaces where no other crane can reach. But here is the real puzzle. How does it get up there? And more importantly, once the skyscraper is finished, how does it get back down? The journey begins in pieces. The Derrick doesn't fly, it's carried. A larger tower crane lifts its components, mast sections, booms, drums, and anchors to the roof. There, a small crew of riggers assembles it, like a massive steel puzzle. Once built and tested, the Derrick takes over. In a poetic twist of engineering, its first major job is often to dismantle the very tower crane that brought it up, piece by piece, until the Derrick stands alone at the summit. Then comes the most fascinating part, the exit. The Derrick cannot simply be lifted off. There is no bigger crane waiting above it. Instead, it performs a controlled self-lowering, dismantling itself from the top down. The process is a high-stakes ballet of precision. First, the hanging loads are removed. The hook blocks and wire ropes are carefully wound down to stop them from swinging in the wind. Next come the heavy counterweights, lowered one by one to shift the balance safely. Then, the boom itself is disconnected. Sometimes it descends in one dramatic sweep. Other times, it's split into sections and lowered past the building's facade, a giant arm retreating from the sky. With the arm gone, the machinery deck follows. Motors, gearboxes, and control panels are detached and created. Finally, the base frame is unbolted section by section, leaving nothing behind but a few anchor plates on the roof. Depending on the size of the building, this entire vanishing act can take anywhere from a few days to 2 weeks. It is a meticulous, dangerous, and brilliant operation. When it's done, the crane has effectively erased its own existence, leaving the finished skyscraper standing tall, with no trace of the machine that helped build it.